Goeiedag, good day, fellow South Africans and citizens of the world. And just yesterday I had a video up which talked about this absolutely ridiculous press release by the Nelson Mandela Foundation, which was just so full of crap, it just stank. Not anything in there which was even hardly like reality. But because it's a Nelson Mandela Foundation, they think they can get away with whatever they like. Well, here's a wake-up call. They can't. AfriForum has instructed its legal team to prepare criminal charges of incitement to violence against the Nelson Mandela Foundation, the sacred cow in South Africa. Isn't that interesting? Charges will be laid under Section 18 of the Riotous Assemblies Act 17 of 1956, as well as a charge of hate speech in terms of the Promotion of Equality and Prevention of Unfair Discrimination Act 4 of 2000. This follows the Nelson Mandela Foundation statement on the 10th of June 2020, which, as I say, I covered just yesterday on this channel, on the death of George Floyd in the United States and the related protests. In its statement, the Nelson Mandela Foundation notes, the use of violence can be rational and carefully targeted as part of a strategy to counter structural and other forms of violence against black lives. And so, of course, it ought always to be so. Now, let's remember this was at a time back in the mid-1990s when, under Nelson Mandela, the ANC were killing thousands of blacks who weren't going to vote for the ANC. Black Lives Matter? What hypocrisy. Anyway, let's continue. AfriForum said, well, Ernst Strutz, head of policy and action at AfriForum, said, this disturbing statement by the Nelson Mandela Foundation is a clear glorification of an incitement to violence. It indicates that the Nelson Mandela Foundation believes it can justify targeted acts of violence, depending on who the targets of this violence are, without having to face any consequences. Violent threats of this nature have no place in any society, and the fact that an organization of the Nelson Mandela Foundation's status can so nonchalantly publish a justification of violence means it is very troubling and telling. AfriForum also submitted a complaint of hate speech against the Nelson Mandela Foundation to the Equality Court. According to Roots, AfriForum's views, the justification and incitement of violence by the Nelson Mandela Foundation as very dangerous and reckless. They said, AfriForum will therefore take the necessary steps to ensure justice in this case through proper legal channels. We urge the authorities to treat this case of incitement of violence by the Nelson Mandela Foundation with the serious action that it deserves, to send a strong message about the unacceptability of inciting violence. Don't need to add much more to that. But let's remember, as Dr. Peter Groenewald pointed out just a couple of nights ago on the live stream on this channel, double standards apply when it comes to the South African Human Rights Commission. All right, guys, please remember to subscribe to be kept informed. Ring the bell for the updates. Please like this video. Please share this video. And above all, please stay safe.